potting without gloves can be quite dirty, and you just never know what being dirty might do to your health. The gloves keep me clean, so I can do this all day long without worrying. I heard from a friend who likes to do this without gloves. He likes to get down and dirty. I guess he thinks that it's more intimate to really work the soil without gloves. Personally, I never do this without gloves. At my best, I do this every day. I just love working with the soil until I'm satisfied.